Want to unlock endless music without using your credit card? Let's turn that Apple gift card into sweet tunes on Apple Music. First, find and tap the settings icon on your iPhone's home screen. It looks like a set of gears. At the top of the settings menu, you'll see your name and Apple ID. Tap on that. Next, scroll down and tap on Media and Purchases. This is where you'll manage your App Store, Apple Music, and other media settings. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Redeem Gift Card or Code. This will open the redemption screen. You can either use your iPhone's camera to scan the gift card or enter the code manually. For the camera option, position the gift card so the code is within the frame. If you prefer to type, tap the Enter Code Manually option and carefully type in the code. Once the code is entered and accepted, your Apple ID balance will be updated with the gift card amount. You'll see a confirmation message showing the new balance. Now, Apple Music will automatically use this balance to pay for your monthly subscription. To confirm, check your Apple Music subscription details in your account settings. You should see your Apple ID balance being used as the payment method. That's it. You've successfully used your Apple gift card to pay for Apple Music. Enjoy the beats. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.